Damn it, she's not eating it. I know she is.
Looking around like, stay away from my corn.
She loves her corn.
I didn't really think she'd eat it.
I didn't think so either. This is like the first cat I've ever met that ate corn on the cob.
I know. She's eating it like a person.
At least she doesn't prefer butter.
True.
Would you, is your muffin buttered? What? Would you like something to butter your muffins? Huh? I was watching Mean Girls today. Holy shit. Damn, cat.
Oh, look, more.
Holy shit.
Let's
Damn.
drag it back.
She will.
And we said she would. Holy cow, that cat can freaking eat.
Yeah.
Damn.
I ate corn that much.